You just fucking took it. Fucking wanker.
It's my life in the box in front of me. The guitar in my arms is the soul of me. You walk by, ask to see me lay face down. And find the sword in your eye.
Fuck him. I can see it now down in the comment section. But premises, you could have used the bus lane. I wasn't allowed in that bus lane. Whoa, that's why you don't jump right to that. Fucking pleb. Fucking wanker. Hello. Twat.
And that is why shoulder checks are important.
You fucking moron! Fucking wanker! We had a cyclist down as well just there. Fucking hell, man. Fucking hell, man. Fuck.
Our advancement is enhancing, and this new expansion's like a mansion. Comes up till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out, and my high progress. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse, till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out, and my high progress. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.